provide Abbott Early Learning Center located in Marlborough Township, and it's a preschool and a kindergarten. The school had an antiquated clock and paging system. The clocks were not working and the paging system wasn't sufficient enough for the growing facility. CSAV Systems installed a Valcom Classroom Connect clock and speaker intercom system. We helped enhance their school by providing 29 two-way talk speaker systems and clocks for each classroom. We also included extra outdoor and hallway speakers for music and all-call announcements. CSAV Systems can enhance any school by providing Valcom solutions as well as wireless microphone upgrades, door access control systems, XM Music for Business, projector systems, surveillance camera systems, and more.